Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how IoT devices actually talk to each other? Well, it's done using something called MQTT, a super lightweight protocol, kind of like HTTP, but built specifically for devices. And today, we're going to see exactly how it works. And trust me, once you see it working, it feels very satisfying. But before that, please subscribe. So first, what is MQTT? MQTT stands for Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. Now here's where it gets interesting. We have three main parts: publisher, broker, subscriber. Let's understand this with something familiar. YouTube. When you upload a video, you are the publisher. YouTube is the broker. Your audience are the subscribers. MQTT is basically YouTube, but for messages. Now, what is a broker? The broker is the most important part. It acts like a middleman. All messages go through the broker. Devices never communicate directly. For this tutorial, we'll use a public broker, HiveMQ. It's free for learning and testing, no setup needed. So basically, free server, no headache. How do devices know where to send messages? Using topics. Topics are like categories or folders. For example, home/light, home/temperature, home/door. If you subscribe to home/light, you'll only receive messages about lights. Not temperature, not doors, just lights. Simple and clean. In real IoT systems, a microcontroller, MCU, can both publish and subscribe. It's not required that a sensor is only a publisher. Devices can both send and receive data depending on the use case. Alright, first we set up the broker. Go to HiveMQ and create a free account. Then, create a new cluster. Once it's ready, you'll see the broker URL and port. Copy those. Next, create a username and password for authentication. Now, open the web client, enter your username and password, and connect. Once connected, you'll be able to see all the messages being published in real time. Alright, let's code now. First, install the library using pip. In the code, import the MQTT library and SSL. Then set the broker URL, port, username, password, and topic. Next, create a client instance, set the username and password, and enable SSL with insecure set to false. This ensures a secure connection. Now connect to the broker using client.connect. To send messages, start the loop using client.loop_start. Inside it, use client.publish with your topic and message, and print a confirmation. And run the code. In the web portal, you can use hashtag as a wildcard. It subscribes to all incoming messages. You'll be able to see your message received in real time. If you want, I can make another video on a real-world project using ESP32, MQTT, and Node-RED, something you can even use as a college project. All the resources will be completely free. Let me know in the comments if you're interested. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.